Hello everyone, Zain with you, and today we'll show you how to use Nano Banana 2 Pro for free. First, you have the Gemini model. You just have to go and choose the Gemini, then go and click on Thinking with Pro 3, then go and click on Create Image, and by this way, you will use Nano Banana 2 Pro for free. Second way, we have Lovert.ai. So you just have to sign up using your account, and here you can use the Nano Banana model if you want to do so. So here you just have to click on models, then go and click on Nano Banana Pro, and you can use it in the image, or you can use the other models for video and 3D modeling. Next, we have Flow with AI or flowwith.io. You just have to go and click on sign up and sign up using your account or sign in with your Google account. Then you want to go and click on this option right here, image. Then here you can see the Nano Banana Pro 2. You can use it for free up to 33 images. And now next we have ZenMux AI. So you just have to go and click on models. Then you want to choose the model that you actually need. There, as you can see, you have Google Gemini 3 Pro. So you just have to choose the Nano Banana Pro and search for it. But also the Google Gemini 3 Pro has the Nano Banana Pro model inside it. And next we have Tap Now. You just have to go through it, then click on Start Now. And here you can use the Nano Banana Pro. Just click on Get Started. And of course, you'll have to sign in using your Google account. Next, we have Banana Lab. You just have to type banana.listenhub.ai. And here you can see it will also provide you with Nano Banana 2, as you can see. So you just have here to upload the image, type here the prompt, then start the AI edit. And of course, all of these methods that I have shown you will be limited. So I have shown you all the methods just in order to use each one of them and consume all your limits on each one of them. Now, last but not the least, we have OpenRouter AI. So you just have to type OpenRouter.ai, and here you have it. And of course, you'll also have to sign up using your Google account. You just have to click on models. Then here you can see different models. You can choose between them: Nano Banana, Google, Gemini, and so on. I will search for Nano, for example. Here you have Nano Banana Pro, and so on. You just have to search for the model. And that's all for today's video. If you find it helpful, please support us with like, subscribe, comment, share. Thank you for watching and goodbye.